Hey, what's up, primates? You know what? It's been a while since I, did an unboxing video. So, I just thought I'd do one. I got the package from a friend of mine. And let's unbox it. We got the regular Zord from Avengers Jungle Fury. We got SPD Zord. Those are going to a friend of mine. Green Zord. Blue Zord. Pink Zord. Oh, sorry about the camera shaking. Let's put the Zord down there. Now part the Zord. Beast Wars figure. Right there. War Machine. Marvel crossover. Venom. Marvel crossover. And Johnny Storm, also not a Marvel crossover. And that's everything in the box, guys. I think what I'm really looking forward to is the Gorilla Zord. Even though he's missing a piece, he's still a very awesome Zord. And I will have fun with him. But enough of me playing with the figures. So I'll see you guys in Sunday's episode of Minecraft, which is the next episode. I have no clue what I'm going to be doing there, but stay tuned and find out. Until next time, check the links down below in the description box. Pleasure hunting. Bye.